Hey there, let's make a slushie with the Dash slushy and frozen drink maker. To make slushies, grab cold water, ice, salt, and your sweet drink of choice. To achieve the perfect slushy consistency, you want to make sure you have a beverage with at least 10% sugar content, like fruit juice or soda. The slushy and frozen drink maker can hold up to 4 cups of liquid, so don't use more than 4 cups unless you're saving some for another mix. Then, chill your slushy mixture for at least 2 hours or overnight. Only use chilled ingredients in the slushy and frozen drink maker. Place the ice canister inside the slushy container and press down firmly. Next, the lid, aligning it with the center spindle at the top of the ice canister paddle. Set the switch to mix, and the paddle will begin to turn. Fill the canister halfway up with ice and add 2 capfuls of salt to the ice and salt inlet. Add 1.5 ounces of water, and then fill the rest up with more ice cubes, leaving at least 1 inch of space below the rim. Add 3 more capfuls of salt into the inlet, and now we're ready to add our slushy mixture. Pour your chilled slushy mixture into the syrup inlet. After 15 to 25 minutes of churning, you're ready to dispense. You'll know when your slushy mixture is done when the liquid thickens and peaks begin to form. Set the switch to dispense and place a glass onto the drink tray. Turn the dispense tap clockwise to open and serve your slushy. If you're making a slushy for happy hour, add your alcohol of choice now. Sit back and relax.